Hello, crypto world. Wednesday, midday in the United States, and the equity market's up. The S&P's up 0.5%, but the tech-heavy Nasdaq's up 1.2%, led by Google and Alphabet, the Magnificent Seven. And important to point out that Google's stock jumped 9%. Many people were concerned about a court decision that could have possibly caused Google to break up, but the decision didn't come out that way, and it benefited all tech stocks. Now, we had an important job numbers come out, and job opening data dropped significantly, and you know what that did to interest rates. Interest rates are dropping. They're going lower by a rather large percentage, and there is important information coming out further about jobs on Thursday. So we're getting ready for, if you will, reaffirmation that the Fed will be cutting interest rates in September. And with lower rates, we see the dollar down. And now let's jump over to crypto land. With tech stocks rallying, interest rates dropping, and the dollar going down, here we are in Greenland. And there's something I'd like to point out that's going on that's kind of unusual. You can go into the derivative market and see what the options are indicating about the trader's belief in Ethereum. And get this, the options data on Deribit is very bearish for Ethereum, despite the fact we know there's been a lot of institutional demand to put Ethereum on its balance sheet. This is part of the reason you see Ethereum not participating as much as at least I thought they would have when we turned into Greenland. And I have to point out, gold is once again making its all-time high as the alternative investment of gold, the safe haven, is as strong as it's ever been. Bottom line, the market today is celebrating the drop in interest rates, the drop in the dollar, and the fact that the big sell-off in the tech stocks has at least today been reversed, oddly because of one court decision. But we are in a point in time now where the issue is going to become not whether we're going to have the cut in September, but whether we're going to have an additional one in the year 2025, and that'll depend in part on the data we see, but the data we've seen so far suggests there will be more than one cut in 2025. And if there's more data confirming that, it suggests to me we got more Greenland to go to.